Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right source and app. This matters because file type and OS dictate performance. First, make sure the video is MP4 or WebM and 1080p or lower for smooth playback. Next, install the Wallpaper app that matches your platform, Wallpaper Engine on Windows, Lively for free Windows use, KLWP for Android. Once done, open the app and grant permissions for file access or overlay. This lets the app read your video and display it as wallpaper. Now you import the video and configure how it runs because default settings may drain resources. You drag in the file or paste the stream URL, then trim start and end points to remove black frames. Make sure to disable audio unless you need sound. Silent wallpapers save power. Then enable hardware acceleration and set a reasonable FPS cap like 30 to balance smoothness and CPU use. Finally, apply resolution scaling and a battery-friendly profile if you use a laptop. Apply the wallpaper and verify it appears on all desktops or home screens. You want consistent behavior while you work. If performance lags, lower resolution or choose a static fallback when on battery, and make sure the app uses an efficient profile. If you encounter a black screen, restart the Wallpaper app first, then confirm file permissions, and that overlay permission is granted. On Windows, disable Secure Desktop for logon issues. These steps fix most common problems and keep your system responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.